Hello guys, so today we're going to playing throw button tower in one. So anyways, if finish the video, share channel, make sure to hit the notification bell. So please like and subscribe. So I don't know. So anyways, let's go beat the game. So this time I'm not gonna. So this time I'm going to. What the heck? Don't troll. Bro, they wanted to troll me. How can I roll up? I don't know. Let's try it. Don't troll! Don't troll, don't troll. Don't stop. If you do this again, then I'm going to turn off the internet. Okay. Okay, he's gone. Let's go. Don't throw me. Don't throw me! That's it. I'm going to turn off the internet. What's that, Johnny? Oh, this Johnny. Who's Johnny? I don't know. You know what? I'm going to turn off the internet. Internet is going to be turn off. Turn off, guys. Oops. Bro, turn off. Oh wait, I turned off the internet. Okay, I didn't even fall. Are you kidding, bruh? I didn't, bruh. I just actually turned off the internet, but it's not working. Turn on. Why? Okay, reconnect. I disconnect. I need to join the another. Here comes Johnny. Where's Johnny? Real Johnny. Oh, it's the real Johnny. What the heck is that? I'm going to sing that. Okay. I'm going to sing a song. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Tell me, oh, no, bro, stop. I need to sing a song. Again, let's go. Oops, Johnny. Okay. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Eating like Ferrari. Don't throw me. Bro, I keep lagging. Don't. Ha. Hey, bacon girl, lad. Oh, go fall. Don't, Johnny. Real Johnny is still kinda. I am. Oh, this bacon. Okay, let's sing a song again. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar. Okay, yes. Yeah. Come on, guys, let's go. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling nine. What? I'm going to skip. Wait. How deep is colored? Ah. Slash Eden. Wrong box. My baby girl. Come on, baby girl. Oh, this Johnny. Oh, let's go. Let's give. What's that? Oops. Thank you, Johnny. Johnny is Papa. Come on, Johnny. You are going to be respawn soon. What are you doing that? Come on, Johnny. I'm going to see your face. Let me see his face. Oh, there. It's gonna be cute and it's so beautiful. Just don't fall, guys. If I fall. Oh wait, this purple girl. Trying to me to attend me. Oh, this lovely girl. Okay. What the heck happened? Is that a dinosaur? Laser slap fly admit. I don't know. I don't wanna play Roblox like this. Where's the carpet? Bro, I hear vomit because it sounds like Godzilla or something like I don't know. So I'm going to go for it. Okay. Okay, let's go beat that game, guys. Oh my god, this bacon, what's that his name? I don't know. Oh, this demon girl. What the heck? Okay, how this is colored? Oh my god, girl! Oh my god, I think she's wearing the girl leather. Come on. Oh my god, look, he's stolen. Oh my god. I think he's now weak because the doctor will be going to be murdered or something like that. How can I do that? Oh yes, I do that. I made it, guys. Oh, don't. If I fall again, oh, I mean, don't. I can just see Johnny, I think, or just Johnny, that he's a YouTuber. So I subscribe to him, cause he's hearted person. I think he's wonderful kind. What's that girl talking? Why he throw the button? Button? What are you doing? Okay, let's go. What? Okay, let's go beat the game. Oh, bacon. Oh, thank you, bacon. I think bacon wearing the goldest hat in the history in the world. What are you doing? Oh, it's nanito. Can I wala pa? I don't know. Okay, she's doing me. Oh, this girl. Okay, she will. Oh my god. Oh, this robot girl. What happened to her? I think she's a robot, but she's name is Leah. And she's name is I don't know. And his name is second. B L. I don't know. I don't know what talking about is. What's that? Does that look like musical? I think musical is gonna be with ten. I'm going to. Hey bacon. Oh, this bacon. Okay. It looks nice and wonderful. New friend. Hey bacon. Baby girl. Oh my god, baby girl is trying to eat the truck. Ben bacon. Fine. Ben bacon. I think. I hate. Are you doing? What are you? Oh, Sahur. So yeah, let's play together. Okay, yeah, let's play together. Let's go play together, Sophia. Sophia the first, guys. I am the first one. The Sophia the first in the kingdom. She's a, she's a princess. I don't think they remember at the oldest movie. I don't know. Come, Bitcoin girl. Okay, guys. Let's go to the internet and turn on. Let's go quickly before the internet will be not working, guys. Oh, Fio, that was close. Why is the girl kissing at her? Kissing at him? I don't know. Why is it not working? Why shouldn't stop being so? Yeah. I'm the controller now, so I made it. Wait, how? It's impossible. Don't ever. Oh, yeah. Don't show me. Yes. Don't show me. Yes. Oh, what the heck? Okay. No, 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 no. Oh, yes. I made it, guys. Okay, I think I made it further, guys. Okay, let's give her something. I don't know what something else that she's she's already not done. But anyways, I need to beat the game quickly over this one. Oh wait, how can oh yes, wait, how I can do it. Oh yes, yes I can do it. This dude. Oh my god! Oh, I mean, okay. Let's go beat that game, guys. Don't ever, don't. Oh my god, this water. It's so unfair. I don't know. Because I am low in battery. It's so a danger. I don't know what talking about is danger, I think. But I am sweaty. If I fall again, one more then I'm going to leave. If I fall again, one out of time, that means I'm leaving. Okay, don't fall. I'm not all the way in the top. Don't fall. Okay, I'll press the button. So I'm not gonna fall. Oh, she's already in the top, guys. Okay, let's go with her. Oh, she's waiting. Oh, the guy looks like my cousin. I think, I don't know. I think she fell, so I don't care. Oh my god, don't fall. If I fall again, don't fall. Bro, don't fall. Don't fall. Don't fall. How can I do that? Oh, yes. Yes, I'm beating it. I'm beating this game. Don't ever lose my stand. Oh my god, this one is difficult. Oh my god, don't. Oh my god, don't tell me it's difficult. What's there? Oh, yeah. Oh, yo, stick. It's blue. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. That's red muscle? I think, I don't know. Oh, this red. I don't know. This red danger? I don't know. Don't ever stop. Bro, why do I keep falling? Okay, I'm already in the top, so I'm not in the cyan. Okay, wait for it. The go. Go. Okay. Alright. Ah, stop being stop being so selfish. Bro, are you kidding? I hate this game. Bro, bro, I need to leave. I need to troll, guys. I need to troll this. Okay, I don't know. Don't ever fall. Okay, I'm going to wait for that, guys. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Don't, please. Come on, guys. Oh my god, I'm at the cyan one. Bruh. Oh my god, don't. Stop! Don't! Oh my god. I need to wait until the block comes. Be there. Don't lagging. Don't be lag. I'm almost there, guys. I'm almost there on top, guys. Oh my god, guys. So come on, let's go. I think there's no sound, but there's sound. Let's go beat that game, guys. If I get a win, if I get a free reward. Let's go beat that game, guys. I think are you kidding? What the heck happened? If I fall? Where? Oh my god. No, I fall again. Okay, okay, did I fall? Careful now. I think I fall. Dude! Oh yeah. I think I will just fell. All because of the girl. So, speak of watching, I'll see you. Don't wish to subscribe to our channel. There's a bunch of other videos. So, anyways, there's